Ajay Mishra, the son of the Union Minister of State for Home, Ajay Mishra, the main accused in the killing of 4 farmers and a journalist in Lakhimpur Kheri last October, is back in jail. The murder-accused son of the junior Home Minister surrendered this after the Supreme Court had cancelled his bail last week and given him a week to surrender. Alok Pandey is monitoring the story. He joins us now. So Alok, Ajay Mishra and his lawyers, etc., advising him to just stick to the script and do what was expected. He has surrendered as per the court's orders?
Well, yes, he's back in jail, and this has been also confirmed by the superintendent at the Lakhimpur prison, where he's gone back to. I think, like you said, he stuck to script. This was expected, and one was waiting for the day when he would surrender, but everyone had assumed that because the Supreme Court had given him a 7-day window, he would surrender at the end of it, which is the 7th day, which is today. The fight for justice for the victims of the Lakhimpur killings is long. Ajay Mishra may have gone back, but the trial in his case is yet to begin, so that will begin at some point of time. And Ajay Mishra also does have the liberty, as provided by the Supreme Court, to go back to the Allahabad High Court to apply for bail afresh. Just to jog everyone's memory, the incident happened in October last year, in the first week of October, when a convoy led by an SUV that allegedly belongs to Ajay Mishra and his family, and allegedly had him inside too, crushed to death 4 farmers and a journalist when a farmers' protest over the 3 farm laws was taking place. Now, after that, Ajay Mishra was arrested after a week, and that too after the Supreme Court stepped in, and there was immense outrage over his role and the attitude of the UP government in this case. In February this year, the Allahabad High Court gave him bail, and in an order that even the Supreme Court questioned, the High Court also punched holes into the investigation of the UP police in the case, and also made a host of comments that are generally reserved for the courts that conduct trials. So essentially what the Allahabad High Court did while granting him bail was to also comment on the facts and circumstances of the case, and this is something that the Supreme Court commented on, saying that, look, the Allahabad High Court should have only heard the case on the merits of the bail application, not really gone into, what the case was or what the trial court will decide. The Supreme Court, in cancelling Ajay Mishra's bail, also said that the victims have not been heard properly, and that their side was not heard properly or could not be heard properly by the Allahabad High Court before the bail was granted. That is why Ajay Mishra's bail was cancelled. Like I said, he has the bandwidth again provided by the Supreme Court to go back to the Allahabad High Court and apply for bail afresh. But those who represent the victims in this case and those who've been fighting for justice for them will certainly consider this cancellation of bail and the fact that Ajay Mishra, the murder-accused son of the junior Home Minister, being back in jail, as a small victory.